you don't have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you are a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be removing these crochet faux locks that I got from DUS hair on Amazon. If you're interested in more hair information and a link to purchase is in my description box below. And if you're interested in seeing the install video, there's a card and I'll put a link for it in my description box below. I won't be doing any talking. I just cut the lock off the root and then unravel it from my braid. Big shout out to DUS hair on Amazon for sending me these locks, and big shout out to y'all for supporting. I love y'all so much. Enjoy the video. Mwah.